Other news, the Texas Windstorm Insurance Association, or TWIA, is expecting major savings in the coming year. Thanks to new state legislation, TWIA is no longer required to pay state premium and maintenance taxes. The association also anticipating lower reinsurance costs in 2026. Our Natalia Asuna spoke with state leaders and TWIA to find out what this means for ratepayers. Natalia?
Leslie, it's a major shift that could impact how the agency prepares and pays for future hurricane seasons. State leaders and law authors tell me this new law has been in the works for 12 years, advocated for by a task force made up of residents, businesses, municipalities across the coastal bend. And they say it's all with a common goal: to receive equitable insurance and state support.
Hurricane season isn't over yet, so it's very important to make sure you have the right coverage to protect your home or your business.
But for many ratepayers, paying rising insurance premiums can be more of a headache than a sense of security. Until now, a new law bringing major changes to TWIA and insured home and business owners across the coastal bend, saving
several $1 million each year in state taxes, which is money that can now be put into savings until we need it to pay claims the next time a major hurricane hits the Texas coast.
State Representative Todd Hunter is one of the law's leading authors, saying it's taken 12 years to pass.
No longer do only coastal residents pay in to the fund. The state now is involved. That provides security, it provides sustainability, and it doesn't just force increases on our area.
Representative Hunter explaining that before, coastal bend residents lacked state support.
The hurricanes, they basically just left to the 14 counties. And there was kind of an attitude, well, if you live there, you should pay there. Well, hold it a second. We don't hardly get any hail. Why should then we be paying hail?
But what would happen if a big storm hits? Texas Coastal Windstorm Task Force Chairman Charlie Zahn explains.
We authorize the Comptroller of Public Accounts to go into the rainy day fund in the event there's a catastrophe and let TWIA borrow the funds necessary to cover that catastrophe, with a proviso that those funds would be paid back in 3 years.
Both Hunter and Zahn say it's a win for homeowners and business owners alike, and could even make moving to the coastal bend more affordable.
Insurance premiums for windstorm insurance should go down because we're going to be backed up by the borrowing from the rainy day fund and by the statewide assessment.
TWIA leaders say these changes are expected to be reflected on their 2025 and 2026 budgets, and they will also be removed from future budgets. And now the board will also consider final action on the budget on November 4th.